collected all the different organizations that we have supported throughout this year, mostly through fundraising, but also with some hands-on projects, and invited them here so they could showcase what it is that they do, what programs they are responsible for, and how it is that our funds have helped them to proceed and to grow in our community. We invited 20 tonight because in our year so far, we've been able to help almost 30 different organizations, 25 to 30, and we had 20 that are programs that we have sponsored with funds, with money. So if you've got an idea, a program, a project that you need funds with a donation, you can go to our website at kiwanispalmbeach.com. There's a button that says request. Send it in. We have a committee that evaluates all of the different projects that we can perhaps provide funding for you. We'd love to help as much as we can, as long as it helps the island's children and or their communities. I want to give thanks to several different organizations, not only those that we partner with and that we give funds to, but also the volunteers of our club and the other Kiwanians, because there's 3 other clubs on the island, and the other service organizations, because without them, a lot of these programs would go unfunded and we would not be able to support the island.